I become a zombie?
By the way, guys, sorry if I keep sneezing or
If I just
coughing.
become a zombie, I don't want to die. I just want to be a zombie. I'll stay in.
Yeah.
Click. Alright, we'll keep going. Can I actually do enough? Or do you want to go for 05? Oh, let's go. We've got to get the hell out of here. Bad
Light containment zone overall contamination.
Better items.
T minus 10 minutes.
Ha.
Ha.
Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha.
Someone. Ha ha ha.
Yo, Batman run versus.
Ha.
Yep, he's dead.
Ha ha.
Ha.
Huh.
Ha.
Like on the corners, you can kind of.
Oh shit.
Wait, are you stuck?
I can get out because
Yes, we got killed by a deep boy who had a gun. Kinda weak, but he had a
Yo,
gun.
I've got at least like 70 zombies.
Hello.
I died by a peanut. Me and
Yeah,
my
same.
three
Died
other
by
dudes
peanut.
were in the closet, jacking off.
I haven't played Doctor. If you do, just get
Whoa.
Wait,
Can I join?
Oh,
If you want, next time.
zombie got gunned down.
shut the fuck up.
But like, first
Yeah, I'll
I
get
gotta
your
eat my
ass.
noodles.
Go.
We're gonna have a party in here, mate. You wanna have a party? Have a
Yeah, who are
party?
these
Oh, please
dudes?
tell me you don't.
I can hear these dudes in like. They're stuck
We'll
in
have
the
a
what's
party,
it
mate.
called room.
We'll have a party. It's gonna be such a nice time. First of all, I get out. I'm stuck.
These
I mean, I
monkeys.
could wait until
no,
decom
that's it.
and do a runner.
Yeah.
Wait, who?
OD1 is stuck in
I don't think
the
it's gonna
OD1
work
was
otherwise.
Oh, feels bad, man.
This
Can't
poor
distract
man,
him
he's got
if they
what's
do.
his name
Yeah,
on the
that
other
G-Class
side.
is dead.
Oh,
There's a
I'm sure
939
you
sitting outside.
He's so dead.
He's gonna hide like a champ. Watch this shit.
What do you do when a man
He's
has
gonna
10
play Can
minutes
You
to do
Find
whatever the
Him?
fuck he wants, and he has
Oh,
nothing
let's
to do
go.
except stay around and do whatever the shit he wants?
Fuck!
Yay!
Honestly, I hope I don't
Yeah,
I'm,
have
prob-
my
I'm
noodles.
probably not gonna spawn.
Okay.
I hope I
Computer's
wouldn't do that.
outside. Computer, I
pretty
know
sure
you're
I am.
outside. You're on that camera outside.
Man, let's. Alright, boys, let's go.
There's a lot of new boys we gotta get out, people.
Yes.
There's a lot of new boys.
So many D-boys.
We gotta save every single one. We gotta get the new boys out.
Can I get a hey yo?
I'm pretty surprised how many are still alive though.
Dude, can I get a hey yo?
Like, oh yeah, light was absolutely
Oh, God.
brutal. Practically everyone died. Like, including most of the people here.
Whoops, forgot there was friendly fire on.
That's a lucky star, bro. What the fuck?
Mate, shush.
What's happening?
No, my man, who's playing anime at full volume?
Yeah, that's what we like to call the SCP intersection. You got caught in an SCP intersection.
This is so funny. I just got.
You literally got caught by a peanut, a shark and a lab.
Yeah, they're all in the same
Yeah,
place,
that
and then
was a
all of a
little,
sudden, I'm dead.
Imagine if you got out though.
That'd be epic, yeah.
Yeah, he would have been a sick cunt for his age bracket.
Does any of you guys want to make a confession today?
I'm a necrophile. Oh, yo, I love this song.
Yeah, who's the guy who's playing the song?
Bro, I love Hentai by S3RL.
Someone's just
But freedom
camping
and
in the pocket
democracy.
dimension.
50 seconds, that's a pretty nice part.
Yeah.
Kind of funny.
Yeah,
Let's
that's the
go.
biggie.
Holy shit, I did it for freedom and democracy.
Hentai.
What the fuck?
Bruh. There's no D class, it's only science.
Pretty good deal.
It should be fine.
Yeah.
Oh, everyone is dead except for the 2 scientists that are still in light.
Man, there's
Holy
there's
crap.
like 3 people who are actually
For
human.
freedom and democracy.
There's 2 scientists sitting in light.
Oh yeah. What are they doing?
They're chilling.
One of them's got the overseer, Jesus.
We are so screwed.
Yep. Really? Both Tesla gates are here?
Yo, will they make it?
Really
Minecraft parkour?
guys.
Whoa, I just lagged back. I was at the Tesla gate. Run! Run for it!
Oh, he's screwed.
Been permanently opened. Please evacuate immediately. 20, 19.
Wait, he won.
Really? Please don't. Freak!
Oh,
Lucky butt.
Well, it was a good guess.
I tried.
Containment zone is locked down and ready for decontamination.
It had to be the old man.
oh man.
Has now begun.
Hey, Jihad, cool there.
I died.
Well, good timing.
Well,
Yeah.
I did that.
Pussy!
Sorry, do we have a spastic in the chat? Like, what the hell is that?
Yeah, we have what was that 3-year-old who was yelling at the top of his lungs?
See
Yeah.
Cosmos.
What?
Frank,
Oh,
is that?
34.
34, 35.
35.
20 lap?
Let's
21?
go. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yo,
Oh,
Stolfin.
damn it.
I bet you stupid, you don't even know now plus 20.
36.
Shut up.
You're a fan of Kanye West? Tell me who's in Paris. D class, again.
It's not
Alright
fun.
boys, let's go!
Being class D. No.
14 is right there. How?
I don't like it. Why?
I don't like you. Or your friends.
No, I don't like class D. It's
Oh,
not
no.
funny.
What is your name, Joe?
Never.
You fucking twat.
Jesus Christ.
That was very nice, wasn't it?
Oh.
Oh, everyone kill Anchovy in a tank, guys. This guy is such a fucking cock burger.
Decontamination process will occur in T-minus 15 minutes. All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
And for team down the end.
Follow the leader, follow the leader.
I'm good.
What's up, lads?
We're all gonna die.
Oh my god, there's a lot of people here.
Yeah, we're all dead.
This is where half the server died.
If the computer, if you're seeing this, Joe.
Bro,
Yeah,
I have a
just-
facility other.
Does anyone have a card to get out?
Let's go TTV Stasi.
What about O12?
Let's
Is anyone
go.
into O12?
Yeah, where are we
I'd
going?
rather die.
Let's make our way downtown.
Yeah, mate. Let's get out of here.
I closed, I'm retarded. It's already open, there wouldn't be.
Oh, don't open this. We're gonna die in here.
Walking past base.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. I reckon we should probably leave.
Yeah, you did a good call there.
Twitch stream.
Ah, yes, I am a big famous Twitch streamer.
Wait, you are,
Wait,
man?
you actually?
Nah, I'm not, but I am a Twitch
Makes
streamer.
my nether region.
I'll subscribe to you.
Oh, no, you won't. Thanks, man.
Yo.
You follow. No, I don't want you to subscribe. I'll feel bad. You might not enjoy the content.
Wait, how do you wait, does it cost money
You
to
gotta pay to
subscribe on Twitch?
subscribe.
Yeah,
It's
so
the
on
Amazon-
Twitch,
the Amazon
it's
thing.
different. On Twitch, subscribing is like, it's not like subscribing on
Like
YouTube. You actually
It's
get
like
money.
OnlyFans.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
yeah, OnlyFans.
Yeah,
Get
like you can
OnlyFans.
follow, and that's for free. But yeah, like on YouTube, subscribing is the like Twitch equivalent of following.
I'll follow you then.
Oh, thanks, man.
I don't have a
Someone
Twitch,
died.
So
Wait, I go
Well,
out.
that's okay. You
I'll
can
go out
I'll
to
make-
You can
try and
follow
follow
me in
this guy
spirit.
over here for like
I'll make
2
10
seconds. I
different
hear the sound of
accounts
the
to
guy
follow
getting
you.
his throat split.
No, you can just follow me in spirit, dude. Spirit's where it's at.
Alright, I'm behind you. I'm following
Emotional
you.
support. Okay, don't. Maybe not that close, but yeah, I appreciate the follow. All right, not that close. Not that close.
Alright, I think we're
All right, that's
safe.
fine. That's fine. Let's go,
We're
boys.
not
We're gonna
safe.
escape.
Yeah, I just followed you,
Feeling
man.
about this. We're gonna get out. We're gonna win. Let's go. Look, see, they've killed everyone, so now we're safe.
Among Us.
Are you sure?
Among Us. Hey, Pope Kim Jong, look behind you.
Among Us.
Among Us.
Oh, come on.
Among Us. Oh God. Come on. Come on.
Hello,
Come
my
on.
son. Do you need any?
In here.
Do you need to be forgiven? Oh, whoa.